Good morning children. Welcome to our math session. Children, today we will be doing mental math 16 because in our previous session we finished our chapter number 16 fraction. Okay. So today we will be doing mental math 16. Topic will be fractions. Okay. So let us start with the first question. What is one part of four equal parts known as? What is one part of four equal parts known as? Now children, one part, that is one is whole. Okay, so what we will do is, this is our whole. Wait, I'll take a more darker brush. Okay, okay, now this is a whole when we divide it into four equal parts. Okay, so what is the one part, this one part, what is the one part of four equal part known as? Children, this I have taught you. Only one part, what it is known as of four equal part. What is one part of four equal part known as? It is known as a quarter. It is known as a quarter. What is one part of four equal part known as? A quarter. What is one part of two equal parts known as? Now this is a whole. Okay, when we cut it into two equal parts, so what is this one part is known as? It is known as half. Sorry, it is known as a half. What is one part of two equal part known as? A half. That means if we divide one whole into two equal parts, it is known as a half. So one part of two equal part is known as a half. What is 3/4 of four equal part known as? Now we have whole. Okay, we will first divide it into four equal parts. Out of that, 3/4 we want 1, 2, 3. That means our three parts will be shaded. So what is 3/4 of four equal part known as? A 3/4. What is 3/4 of four equal parts known as? A 3/4. What is half of 20 kg? What is half of 20 kg? Now this is a ball and it is of 20 kg. If I divide it into two equal parts, okay, so how I will get, what I will get the answer? 10 kg. Or you can, children, divide by 2. Wait, you can divide it also by 2. So 2 tens will be 20. So when 20 is divided into two parts, so the one part, that is one half, is how much? 10 kg. So what is the half of 20 kg? 10 kg. Okay, what is the half of 20 kg? This is a 20 kg ball. This I have divided into two parts. So this one part will be 10 kg and the another part will be 10 kg. So 10 kg will be, when it is a whole, it will be 20 kg. So what is the half of 20 kg? 10 kg. What is a quarter of 40 centimeter? What is a quarter of 40 centimeter? What will be a quarter of 40 centimeter, children? See, this is a whole. When I divide into four equal parts, okay, but this whole is of 40 centimeter. So one part will be of how much? This will be 10, 10, 10 and 10. 10 fours is 40. So one part will be 10, 10, 20, 30 and 40. 4 tens will make whole. Okay. So what is a quarter? 4 tens will make 40 centimeters. So now, children, what is a quarter of? Quarter means 1/4. So what will be the quarter? What will be the 1/4, children, for this? This, that is 10 centimeter. What is a quarter of 40 centimeter? 10 centimeters. Okay, what is a quarter of 40 centimeters? 10 centimeter. A whole is 40. Half will be 20. A quarter will be 10. 3 quarters will be 30. Understood? What is 3 quarter of 32 meters? Now here children, you have to calculate what is 3 quarters of 32 meters. I'll show you here. Now suppose this is 32 meters. Okay, we need 3 quarters. First we'll divide it into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we have divided into 4 parts. Now we want 3 quarter of 32 meters. This is 32 meters. We want 3 quarters. So how we will divide it into 3 quarters? Now 32 into 4. We will divide 4 parts into, wait, I'll use another brush. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts we have divided. Now what we will do? We will divide this 4 into 32. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and 4 eights are will be 32. Okay. So we got our answer 0 and we got our quotient as 8. So what is the quarter of 32 meters? Now one part we got as 8. Okay. So here 1 8, this is 8 meter, this is 8 and this is 8. So 8 plus 8 will be 16. 16 plus 8 will be 24 and 24 plus 8 will be 32. That means if it is a 32 meters, if it is 32 meters and it is divided into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. One part is 8 centimeter. So the 4 parts will be 32. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 and 8 fours are 32. So now we want 3 quarters, correct? So one part is 8, second is 8, third is 8 and fourth is also 8. But we need only 3 quarters. So what we will do is 1, that is 8 plus 8 will be 16. 16 plus 8 will be 24. So how many quarters we got? 1 quarter. 1 quarter is 8 centimeter. So 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarters. So 3 quarters are 24 centimeter. 24 meters, sorry. What is 3 quarters of 32 meters? 24 meters. You understood, children, how you are going to calculate 3 quarters, how you are going to calculate half and how you are going to calculate a quarter. Let us move to the next question. What is a half of a collection of 16 balls? What is a half of a collection of 16 balls? Now I have to, I'll make a 16 balls. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me calculate, count and see whether it is 16. Just wait, I'll change the brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So what is the half of a collection of 16? Now our one collection is of 8 and the another collection is of 8 because 8 plus 8 is 16. Correct? 8 twos is also 16. So the half of 16 will be how much, children? Wait, I'll cut this. So the half of 16 will be how much? 8 balls. So what is the half of a collection of 16 balls? Will be 8 balls. Okay. What is a quarter of a collection of 16 kites? Now let us see, it's a quarter. Okay. Now we have 16 kites, children. I cannot make so many kites, so I'll just make the shape like a triangle. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now we have a collection of 16 kites, but we want a quarter of a collection of 16 kites. So what will be a quarter, children? Quarter means 1/4. Okay. So we want only 1/4 part. So what I'll do is I will make a collection like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll make a 4 of collection. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll divide it into 4. Just a second. 4. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many children parts I have divided 16 into? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. 4 4s is 16. So I want only a quarter of a collection of kite. So what will be my answer, children? Wait a second. What will be my answer? So children, what is our answer? 4 kites. So what is a quarter of a collection of 16 kites? 4 kites. Now let us move to the next question. What is 3/4 collection of 24 flowers? Okay. Now I am having 24 flowers. Okay. Wait, I'll draw 24 flowers. Wait, I'll take another color, darker color for the brush. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now children, we have to divide it into 4 parts. So 4 6 will be 24. So that means in a group I will have 6 flowers. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now, just a second, children. So now we have 24 flowers, and in each group I have 6 flowers, and I have made 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be 3/4 collection of 24 flowers? Now 1 is 6. Okay. 2 part will be 12. 3/4 part will be 18. Yes. So what is 3/4 collection of 24 flowers will be 18 flowers. 1 part has 6 and 6 3s are 18. So what is 3/4 collection of 24 flowers? 18 flowers. What part is white if quarter part is colored? Okay. What part is white? Now this is a white. Okay. We have 4 parts. Now what part is white if quarter part is colored? So we will color first quarter part. Wait, I'll take another shade and I will color this. So 1 part, quarter means 1 part. So how many part is white if quarter part is colored? It is 3/4. Okay. What is half collection of 20 pens? Now children, I have 20 pens. Okay, this is my 20 pens. I need half. So what is half of 20? 10. 10 is 20. So what is half collection of 20 pens? Wait. It is 10 pens. What is half collection of 20 pens? 10 pens. Now next question. What is a quarter of 60 centimeters? What is a quarter of 60 centimeters? Now children, this I have this one as 60 centimeter. Wait, I'll draw nicely. Okay. This is 60 centimeter. I'll divide it into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 part. Now it is 60 centimeter, children. So what will be a quarter of 60 centimeter? Now children, 60's half will be 30. Correct. So what will be a quarter? 1. This is 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2. Wait, children. I have drawn 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3 and I have 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts. So if half is 30, so what will be quarter? So half of 30, that is 15, this will be 15, this will be 15, 15, 15, 30, 30 plus 15 will be 45 and 45 plus 15 will be 60. So quarter of 60 centimeter will be 15 centimeters. Understood, children? So with this we finish our today's session of mental maths 16. Okay? So children, till then keep learning and keep practicing. See you in the next session with a new lesson. Till then, bye. Take care.